Positioned on the outskirts of the charming town of Cotacachi, Ecuador, with mountain views all around and just a 15-minute walk into town, this spectacular home is set in one of the area's premier gated communities. The home features 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 2 half baths, an office, an art studio, a laundry room, a large outdoor covered patio, a garden, a large yard, as well as a small orchard, and much more. Rather than the traditional gray block wall surrounding the home, an attractive 8-foot hedge wraps around 3/4 of the property, providing privacy and a natural background. To the left of the front entrance is a dedicated parking space. A wrought iron side gate gives you easy access to the front door. A classic brick archway and custom double wooden doors greets you at the entrance. The front yard, like the rest of the property, is fully landscaped and extremely well manicured. Before heading inside, let's take a quick tour of the yard. First up, if you have a green thumb, you'll love the above-ground garden and potting bench. Just behind the potting bench is a bodega which the owners use as a workshop. Here you can see the garden and bodega leading into the backyard. The backyard is very private and is fully enclosed and great for dogs. Of course, the covered back porch is an amazing outdoor space. We'll take a closer look at that in just a moment. An interesting focal point of the backyard is the unique water fountain. Next up is the side orchard. The owners planted a variety of trees, including avocado, apple, and even berry plants. As promised, it's time to take a look at the covered patio. This is a spectacular space to take advantage of Cotacachi's year-round spring weather. It features a vaulted wood beam ceiling, a rustic chandelier, plenty of outdoor patio furniture, and a fireplace. There's even a small soaking tub. Just off the patio is a 3rd bedroom or office that the owners use as an art studio. It has a convenient half bath and a great view of the backyard from the large bay window. Heading back to the front of the house, the front porch is another great place to relax with its hanging chairs and colorful doors. The large vaulted ceiling foyer with its 2 skylights gives the entry an open, welcoming atmosphere. Just to the right of the door as you enter the home is the social half bath. The kitchen is a large, fantastic space for entertaining. Granite countertops and a large center island provide plenty of room for meal preparation, and family and friends can pitch in without getting in each other's way. A 5-burner cooktop is built into the island. All of the appliances come with the house, including the large side-by-side refrigerator, the oven, the microwave, and the built-in dishwasher. Doing dishes by hand becomes a pleasure with this breathtaking mountain view. Next to the fridge is a great prep counter with a sink and loads of cabinets and drawers. The family chef will love this large walk-in pantry. A standalone 2-sided breakfast bar is the perfect spot to have an informal meal or snack. That brings us to the formal dining room with its amazing wrought iron entry gate. If you like to entertain, you have found the ideal room. A wood-burning fireplace adds the perfect touch to any dinner party. A beautiful wrought iron chandelier accents the rustic wood trestle table. When you're ready to kick back and watch some TV or read a book, you'll love this spacious great room. It features all the comforts of home, including recliners, a fireplace, and a flat-screen television. The windowed French doors bring in plenty of light and give you a great view of the back patio. On the other side of the foyer is the office, the laundry room, and the guest bedroom. The hallway features a skylight and a custom cabinet built by the homeowner. To the left is the home's laundry room. Even doing the laundry becomes a pleasure with a dedicated space like this. The washer and dryer are included with the home. Across the hall is the guest bedroom. A built-in wardrobe provides guests with plenty of storage. The private ensuite bath features a glass door shower. Moving back across the great room, you come to the master suite. The master bath features a high ceiling with a skylight, a walk-in closet, a large shower, and a built-in vanity dresser. That brings us to the master bedroom. The large bay windows bring in the morning light and feature a beautiful hardwood bench seat built by the homeowner. Sit and relax in the window seat or step out the French doors and take a soak in the hot tub. This is truly a one-of-a-kind, spectacular home. It is in a well-established premier residential community. It has a large kitchen with a walk-in pantry, a breakfast bar, and all of the appliances. A fantastic dining room, an expansive great room with a TV and fireplace, an office, a large dedicated laundry room, a guest bedroom with an ensuite bath, a spacious master suite, an art studio or third bedroom. It features fantastic outdoor spaces, a garden, a workshop, a large yard, an unbelievable covered patio, an orchard, and much more. Call today and make this special house your new home.